Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. The Lost Nest Story. There were 3 brothers who worked in the fields. The 2 older ones did not believe in saints, but the youngest did. He went to see Òrúnmìlà, who revealed the Òdí Méjì to him and prescribed Igbo with his work tools. The young brother followed the instructions. When he needed to do his work, he asked his brothers for the tools, but they refused to lend them to him. They went to tell their mother, Òbònlá, that Adéma had gone to see a sorcerer and had thrown away his machete. Òbònlá became outraged. Meanwhile, Adéma decided to work with his bare hands. One day, while pulling out a vine with his hands, he felt a lump. Upon inspecting it, he discovered that it was a parrot's nest with several eggs, the very nest that Òbònlá had lost years ago. He took it to his mother, and she was overjoyed. From that day on, Adéma never went back to work in the fields.